Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSD form factor, SATA 2, 5-inch or NVMe M2, and locating the appropriate bay or M2 slot on the motherboard. Once done, gather a Phillips #1 driver, an anti-static strap, and any required screws or standoffs. Make sure to remove jewelry. You should power down, unplug the PC or laptop, and touch a grounded metal surface to discharge static. Open the case or access panel, keeping screws organized. This sets you up to install without damaging connectors or the drive. You now mount and connect the SSD. For a SATA 2, 5-inch drive, place it into the bay or adapter and fasten screws, then connect the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the power cable to the PSU. Make sure the connector seats at a right angle. For NVMe M2, insert the drive into the slot at about a 30-degree angle, press it down parallel to the board, and secure with the standoff screw. Do not over-torque. Once connected, tidy cables so airflow and connectors remain stress-free. You finish by powering on and entering BIOS or UEFI to confirm the motherboard detects the SSD. Set SATA to ASI if using a SATA drive and ensure NVMe support is enabled for M2. Once the OS boots, initialize the disk, create partitions, and format or restore your image. If the drive is not recognized, make sure to power down and reseat the drive and cables, try a different SATA cable or M2 slot, and update BIOS firmware. This typically resolves detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.